Yo, let's be truthful here for a second. As dudes, we don't prioritize our skincare routine. We don't have a skincare regimen like our girls do. The truth is that as a dude, our skincare routine is probably on the floor, and we end up skipping on primary rules, essential rules that everybody needs to follow if you want that perfect, flawless, zit-free, bump-free, beautiful skin. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you 7 skincare rules for men that you should be following. Let's go. Number 1, just have a skincare routine. Sounds obvious, but just have a routine. See, if you don't even have a facial wash, a moisturizer, and a scrub in your bathroom, you've already lost. You are losing to the dude that's actually taking care of his skin. You've broken pretty much every cardinal sin when it comes to skincare regimen, and it's showing on your skin. Look, if you want soft, perfect skin, it's gonna take effort. It's gonna take effort, and you're gonna have to force yourself into having at least these three things in your bathroom and using them every single day. See, your skincare routine should be as essential as brushing your teeth. That's how you should be doing it every day. Number 2, you have to scrub the skin on your body as well. See, scrubbing your skin, what it does is when you use a scrub, it basically removes all the grime that's on the top of your skin and also the dead skin that's residing on your skin that ends up clogging your pores and causing the acne. On top of that, when you do scrub your skin, it's almost like you're stimulating that collagen production so new skin can come forth and your skin can look softer and better than it did before. This is why scrubbing is essential. Most of us, though, we also suffer from body acne, like chest and back acne. I don't know if you do, but I do, especially because I go to the gym. This is why scrubbing your body skin is just as essential as scrubbing your facial skin. See, this is where I grab my silicone body scrubber, and this is where I like to scrub my problem areas with my regular body wash or your facial cleanser if you have sensitive skin. And what this does is, just like a regular scrub, it's removing all that dirt buildup that could be clogging up the pores, as well as the dead skin that's clogging up the pores, to allow softer skin to come through. If you've never scrubbed your body down, I promise you this is probably the most life-changing thing you'll ever do. You're gonna step out the shower with softer skin, like your skin's gonna feel like a baby's butt. I'm gonna be honest with you. And with this silicone scrubber that's from He, that's dropping October 16, boys, yeah, we're doing it again. We're gonna change how you shower. See, He Grooming is here to help men groom themselves better. And we are developing tools and products to make sure that when you step out the house, you are as handsome and as attractive as possible. And it starts when you shower. See, this body scrub, it's gonna replace every loofah you have in your bathroom. Most of you probably use a towel, which is annoying, it gets dirty and you have to wash it. Or a loofah, which same thing, you have to replace it every 3 months, wash it, and it decomposes. But this is made out of silicone. You can wash it every time you use it, and it's pretty much gonna last you 10 times longer than a towel or a loofah, and it's gonna be more effective at actually stripping down and removing all that dirt from your skin. See, our silicone scrub has little silicone teeth. They're super small, and they're more effective at cleaning out the pores and the dead skin than your fingertips are. And it also gives you that nice lather, and the cool part with this thing is that it has a suction cup in the back, so anywhere in the shower, you can place it there, so once you wash it, it dries, and you can use it again the next day and the next day. Now, you don't have to be worried about moldy towels or loofahs that smell bad. You don't have to worry about it decomposing. You don't have to worry about it staying soaking wet. See, our silicone scrub is going to make sure your skin is soft while also replacing and saving you money from having to buy all that other stuff. Boys, this is dropping October 16th. I don't want you to miss it. You already know this stuff from He flies like that, which means that if you really want to pick one up, I would put a reminder on your phone for October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern. I promise you, it's going to be crazy affordable. So it's probably going to fly, and you're going to want to be there early. Never use regular soap on your face. See, it's always better to use a face wash that's designed for your face. See, the skin on your face is sensitive. And if you're using the same that you use on your body, this one's filled with detergent level power. In other words, you're going to completely strip down your skin, which is thinner and sensitive than your body, over drying it and leaving it prone to damage and bacteria infection, and this is where the acne buildup starts. So when it comes to your face, always use a wash that's been designed for your face and your face type. Leave the body wash for the body. I want you to forget gender for a little bit. Look, don't just look at men's skincare products. Honestly, some of the best products that I use are the ones that my girls are using. See, Girls have all the good products. And skin is skin at the end of the day. You have to understand, most of the time, women are the ones that have the best products because brands know they're the ones that care about skin. So as a brand, they invest all their money into research to give them the best of the best of the best. For men, since we don't care, they give us the sloppy leftovers, like the whatevers, because they know we could care less about our skin, which ends up giving them the best product. So for a second, I want you to forget genders, and when it comes to buying good product, don't just search best men's product, just search best moisturizer, best sunscreen. And it doesn't matter if it's for men or women, at the end of the day, skin is skin, and the product, if it works, it's gonna make you look better. Take into account your ethnicity. See, different skin tone colors usually have different problem areas. For example, African Americans or black dudes, they tend to have more ingrown hairs because of their naturally curly hair, which is why locking down on that shaving routine as a black guy is important. That way, you're getting that clean shave that you want while minimizing those ingrown hairs. Us Latino or Hispanic dudes, we tend to have more problems with hyperpigmentation and skin discoloration in certain areas, which is why it's important to wear sunscreen. That way the sun doesn't damage you, giving you blotches of random color all throughout your skin, and you can have an even, beautiful skin tone color. Understand your skin type. See, this is exactly where a lot of guys go wrong. Most guys think that they can just use any sort of product, or just because I tell you that this product works on me, it's gonna work on you. Our skin types are completely different. See, there's normal skin, there's oily skin, there's dry skin, there's combination skin, and there's sensitive skin. Every single one of those 5 different skin types, they require different products, and there's products designed for your specific skin type. If you start using a product that's not designed for you, your skin could actually have an adverse reaction and could get worse, and you're gonna be sitting there thinking, you're like, yo, what's the point? I'm taking care of my skin, but it's looking worse. It's because you're not considering your skin type. So, if you don't know what your skin type is, the easiest way to do this is to go to a professional. You can go to any Ulta, Sephora. They'll literally just look at your skin, ask you a few questions, and they'll tell you what your skin type is almost instantly. After that, you go on Google and then search. Every time you search for a product, you want to add whatever your skin type is. So you'd put best moisturizers for sensitive skin or best moisturizers for oily skin. That way, you're only going to be using the products that are designed for your skin type. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our new body scrubbers dropping October 16. It's gonna move fast. I don't want you guys to miss this one out. That's it for me today. See you next time.